Hi students, sets relations and functions, exercise 1.3. Seventh sum, find the largest possible domain of the real valued function f of x equal to root of 4 minus x squared divided by root of x squared minus 9. Okay, now we are going to see the numerator interval find and denominator interval find separately. Okay, now if inside bracket 4 minus 6 squared, 4 minus 6 squared is negative. Listen, root of 4 minus 6 squared, substitute x equal to 0. X equal to 0 implies 0 means root 4, we get positive. Okay, x equal to 1, 1 substitute 4 minus 1, 3, root 3, root 3 also positive. Okay, now x equal to 2, 2 substitute 2 squared 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, x equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 whole square plus 1, here also positive. X equal to minus 2 implies minus 2 means 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, now suppose x equal to 3, x equal to 3, 3 squared 9, 4 minus 9 negative, we get negative. Okay, and x equal to 4, 4 minus 16 also negative. Okay, above value 3 and above value we get negative. Similarly minus 3, x equal to minus 3, also 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9 means negative. Okay, now only the possible values are 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, other real values we get negative. Okay, then if 4 minus x squared is negative, 4 minus x squared is negative, root of 4 minus x squared has no square root. Already I told, root kulla negative vanduchina we cannot find the real value. Real value கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. அதனால root of 4 minus x squared நெகட்டிவா இருந்தா, அதாவது 4 minus x squared நெகட்டிவா இருந்தா, root of the value has no square root. Square root கிடையாது. இப்போ root of 4 minus x squared lies between, எதுவரை கண்டுபிடிச்சோம், minus 2 to 2, closed interval. Closed interval means include a minus 2 and 2 and in between values also. Already I have explained, that is closed bracket minus 2 to 2. Okay, now the domain is root of 4 minus x squared, domain is closed interval minus 2 to 2. Okay, the denominator value 1 by root of x squared minus 9. Here also the denominator x squared minus 9 is negative. Negative means here also substitute root of x squared minus 9. Put x equal to 0. 0 means we get negative. 1 means 1 minus 9 negative. 2 means 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 also negative. Similarly minus 1 also negative. Minus 2 also negative. 3 squared 9. 9 minus 1 0. Okay, 0. Minus 3 also 0. Minus 4. Minus 4 means 16 minus 9 positive. 4 means positive. Okay, but 3 and above, 3 0 is possible, 3 and above are possible, and minus 3 and below are also possible. Okay, now this 0 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 is not possible. But this one is 3 and above value, minus 3 and below value. Okay, below value, above value. 3 and above value, minus 3 and below value, minus 3 and below value, 3 and above value are possible in root of x squared minus 9. Okay, now first point, if x squared minus 9 is negative, root of x squared minus 9 has no real root, no square root. Okay, I have already explained in this part. Similarly same, Okay, if x squared minus 9 is 0, 0 means 1 by that value is not defined. Okay, 1 by 0 means infinity. Okay, infinity means not defined. Appa 0 is also not defined. Okay, appa that means substitute x equal to 3. Here x equal to 3 means we get 0, minus 3 means also we get 0. Appa this one is also not possible. This one is also not possible. Appa here 4 and minus 4. 4 and above, minus 4 and below values are possible. Understand or not? Root of x squared minus 9 means 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 are not possible. 1 by x squared minus 9 means 3 and minus 3 are also not possible. Okay, but these values are not possible. The possible values only 4 and above value, minus 4 and below value are possible. This can be written as, therefore 1 by root of x squared minus 9 lies between minus infinity comma minus 4 union 4 comma infinity. 4 and above. 4 and above means 4 to infinity. Here minus 4 and below. Minus 4 to minus infinity. Already I told minus infinity plus infinity open interval. Okay. Minus infinity to minus 4 closed interval union closed interval 4 comma infinity. Combining these two conditions. Which condition? These two conditions. Okay. Combining these two conditions, domain equal to intersection of these two intervals. Okay. Minus 2 to 2 closed interval. Intersection open interval minus infinity comma minus 4 closed interval union 4 comma infinity. We want to find the domain, that is the intersection value. Okay, intersection value. First draw the one line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 6, minus 2 to 2, minus 2 to 2. Now shed the value minus infinity to minus 4. Minus infinity to minus 4 means minus 4 and below values. 4 to infinity means 4 and above values. See that one? Any common, okay, shaded portions. Here this value, here in between value, here this part. Okay, no common value. Therefore domain equal to empty set. Domain equal to empty set. Understand or not? Next, find the range of the function. Find the range of the function 1 by 2 cos x minus 1. Okay, 1 by 2 cos x minus 1. Listen. Now, cos value, cos 0, 1. Here 1. Here minus 1. This one is pi by 2. Pi. 3 pi by 2. 2 pi. And so on. Similarly, in this side minus pi by 2 and so on. Okay, now cos 0 1, cos 0 1, cos pi by 2 0. Okay, and cos pi value minus 1, cos pi value minus 1, cos 3 pi by 2 0, and cos 2 pi value 1. Okay, now this one is a cos 6 diagram. Diagram of cos 6. Okay, the line lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, minus 1 to plus 1. The line lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, now then the range of cos x is minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 less than or equal to a cos x less than or equal to 1. Lies between minus 1 to 1. Here 2 cos x then multiplied by 2. Here minus 2 less than or equal to 2 cos x less than or equal to 2. Next we want 2 cos x minus 1. Then subtract 1. Minus 2 minus 1. 2 cos x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus 1. Here minus 3 less than or equal to 2 cos x minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Okay. Now see that one. Here we want 1 by 2 cos x minus 1. Then taking reciprocal. Taking reciprocal. Up 1 minus 1 by 3. Reciprocal minus 1 by 3. Reciprocal means less than or equal to change into greater than or equal to. Suppose greater than or equal to means change into less than or equal to. Okay. Now here less than or equal to change into greater than or equal to. Here 1 by 2 cos x minus 1. Here also change the symbol. Less than or equal to change into greater than or equal to 1, reciprocal also 1. Okay. Now this can be written as minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 means 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 less than or equal to minus 1 by 3. ஓகே மைனஸ் ஒன் பை த்ரீ கிரேட்டர் தான் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு இந்த சைட்லேருந்து பார்க்கும்போது மைனஸ் ஒன் பை த்ரீ கிரேட்டர் தான் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு திஸ் வேல்யூ. இப்போ இந்த சைடு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா இந்த வேல்யூ எப்படி ஆயிரும் லெஸ் தான் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் டு மாறிடும். அப்போ 1 பை 2 cos x minus 1 less than or equal to minus 1 by 3. This value 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 greater than or equal to 1. இந்த கொடுத்துருக்க இன்டர்வலை ரெண்டாக பிரித்து எழுதியிருக்கோம். ஓகே. Now this value less than or equal to minus 1 by 3 means minus 1 by 3 below values. That means minus infinity comma minus 1 by 3. Here equal to given, then close the interval. Here 1 by 2 cos x minus 1 greater than or equal to 1 means greater than 1 means 1 and above values. That is close the interval 1 comma infinity. Greater than or equal to means close the interval. Greater than means open interval. Okay. Now, but the range is minus infinity comma minus 1 by 3 union 1 comma infinity. Okay, this one is a domain means intersection, range union. Okay, now ninth sum, show that the relation xy equal to minus 2 is a function for a suitable domain. Find the domain and range of the function. First we want to find the relation is a function and also find the domain and range. Okay, function means f of y1 equal to f of y2 implies y1 equal to y2. If I will take f of y1 equal to f of y2, then we get y1 equal to y2 means this one is a 1 function. 1 function means this is also a function. Already we have studied in 10th standard. Okay, now see that one. The relation is xy equal to minus 2. xy equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 by y. We can write xy equal to minus 1, 2. X equal to minus 2 by 5. I will take f of y1 equal to f of y2. Let f of y1 equal to f of y2. F of y1 means, see that one, minus 2 by y1. Okay. F of y2 means minus 2 by y2. 2 to cancel, minus 2 cancel, then 1 by y1 equal to 1 by y2. Reciprocal y1 equal to y2. Okay, now this one is a 1 function. F is a 1 function. 1 function means the relation is a function. Domain equal to r minus 0. That means here substitute y equal to 0, so infinity. Okay. இங்கே ஜீரோ போட்டால் மட்டும்தான் என்ன கிடைக்கும் இன்ஃபினிட்டி கிடைக்கும். மீதி எந்த நம்பர் வேணாலும் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணலாம். அதே மாதிரி இதை ஒய் ஈக்குவல் டு மைனஸ் 2 பை எக்ஸ்னு எடுத்தோம்னா ஒய் ஈக்குவல் டு மைனஸ் 2 பை எக்ஸ்னு எடுத்தோம்னா இங்கே எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக ஜீரோ போட்டால் மட்டும்தான் என்ன ஆகும் இன்ஃபினிட்டி வரும். மீதி என்ன வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணாலும் ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேயா, அப்போ எக்ஸுக்கும் ஜீரோ வராது, ஒய்யுக்கும் என்ன வராது ஜீரோ வராது. அப்போ தென் டொமைன் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆர் மைனஸ் ஜீரோ, ரேஞ்ச் ஆல்சோ ஆர் மைனஸ் ஜீரோ. Understand or not? 10th sum, if f comma g r implies r are defined by f of x equal to mod x plus x, g of x equal to mod x minus x, then find g composite f gof and f composite g fog. Okay, now given f of x equal to mod x plus x, g of x equals to modulus of x minus x. Modulus of x minus x, if x less than or equal to 0, x less than or equal to 0 means minus x, greater than 0 means x. Okay, less than means negative, greater than means positive. Okay, now f of x equal to x less than or equal to 0, x greater than 0. Now divide into 2 intervals. 2 interval பிரிக்கிறோம். less than 0 means என்ன substitute பண்ணணும் minus x. modulus of x இருக்கிற இடத்துல minus x போடுறோம். இப்போ minus x plus x value 0. greater than 0 means plus x. substitute modulus of x equal to plus x. x plus x equal to 2x. Okay, similarly g of x less than or equal to 0 means minus x. Here minus x minus 2x. And x greater than 0 means plus x minus x, we get 0. Okay, now f of x, g of x defined. If x less than or equal to 0, case 1, if less than or equal to 0, want to find fog. F of g of x, fog of x equal to f of g of x, g of x equal to g of x இதில் பார்க்கணும் less than or equal to 0ல பார்க்கணும். இப்போ g of x less than or equal to 0ல பார்த்தோம்னா minus 2x. ஓகே, minus 2x. இந்த minus 2x இதில் போடணும், fல போடணும். fல போடும்போது இங்கே ஏற்கனவே ஒரு மைனஸ், இதுவும் நெகட்டிவ். ஓகே, நெகட்டிவ் less than or equal to 0 means negative. Here also negative, then positive. அப்போ fல நான் எதை பார்க்கணும், பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூவை பார்க்கணும். பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூ 2x. ஓகே, அப்போ 2 இன்ட்டு இப்போ எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக minus 2x சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணணும். 2 into minus 2x minus 4x. Understand or not? f of minus 2x means minus 2x fல சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணணும். minus 2x less than or equal to 0ல பார்க்கக்கூடாது. இந்த மைனஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால இதுவும் ஒரு மைனஸ். அப்போ ரெண்டும் சேரும்போது என்ன ஆகிரும், பாசிட்டிவ் ஆகிரும். பாசிட்டிவை எஃப்ல பார்க்கணும். இப்போ பாசிட்டிவ்னா கிரேட்டர் than or equal to 0, கிரேட்டர் than or equal to 0 வேல்யூ 2x. அப்போ 2 into minus 2x சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணும்போது we get minus 4x. ஓகே, gf of x, g of f of x, g of f of x, f of x இதில் பார்க்கணும் less than or equal to 0. f of x less than or equal to 0ல பார்க்கும்போது 0. ஓகே, அப்போ g of 0. இப்போ 0வை எதில் போடணும், ஜியில் போடணும். ஜியில் போடும்போது g less than or equal to 0 பார்க்கணும். இது minus 2 into 0 வேல்யூ 0. ஓகே, x greater than 0, greater than 0 போடும்போது fog of x, f of g of x, g of x greater than 0ல, g of x greater than 0ல பார்க்கும்போது 0. அப்போ f of 0, f of 0, 0வை எதில் பார்க்கணும், fல போடணும். 0வை fல போடணும். இப்போ fல greater than 0ல பார்க்கணும். fல greater than 0ல பார்க்கும்போது 2x. அப்போ 2 into 0, 0. ஓகே, gf of x, gf of x means g of f of x. f of x value, f of x greater than 0, f of x greater than 0, f of x greater than 0, 2x. ஓகே, அப்போ f of g of 2x. ஓகே, here positive, here also positive. Then gல positive value, gல positive value 0, the value equal to 0. Understand or not? Next 11th sum, given f comma g comma h, see that one, see your book, g comma f comma g comma h are real valued function defined on R, then prove that f plus g composite h equal to f composite h plus g composite h. What can you say about f composite g composite h? Justify your answer. We want to prove that value, that is f plus g composite h equal to that value, and again we want to find f composite of g plus h. Now these two are equal or not, then only we want to find. Okay, see that one, given f comma g comma h are real valued function defined on R, LHS f plus g composite h of x, it can be written as f plus g h of x. Okay, அப்போ f of h of x plus g of h of x, this can be written as f composite h of x, g composite h of x. இப்போ f plus g composite h equal to f composite h plus g composite h, x எடுத்துறேன். Okay, equation number 1 I will take. This only we want to prove, hence get the answer proved. Okay, next we want to find f composite g plus h, f composite g plus h. அப்போ f composite g plus h of x equal to f of g plus h of x. அப்போ f of g of x plus h of x, g of x plus h of x, this can be written as f of g of x, f of h of x. This one f composite g of x written as f composite g of x, this one is written as f composite h of x. அப்போ f composite g plus h equal to f composite g, f composite h. See that one, f plus g composite h equal to f composite h, g composite h, f composite g plus h equal to f composite g, f composite h. Equation 1 and 2, these two are not equal. G composite f plus g composite h is not equal to f composite g plus h. Okay, next sum, if f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. Prove that f is a bijection and find its inverse. Bijection means already you know 1 1 and onto. The function is 1 1 and R2 means the function is called bijection. And find its inverse also. Find its inverse. First we want to prove that this one is a bijection. Bijection means 1 1 function. 1 1 function already you know take f of x equal to f of y. We want to prove that x equal to y means 1 1 function. Okay, f of x equal to f of y. Let I will take 3x minus 5 is 3y minus 5. Minus 5 cancel. But 3x equal to 3y. Again 3 also cancel, x equal to y. If f of x equal to f of y implies x equal to y. F is a 1 1 function. Next we want to find onto function. Onto function means y equal to f of x I will take. Let y equal to f of x. Y equal to f of x equal to 3x minus 5. Given function. 3x minus 5. Now minus 5 go to that side plus 5. Divided by 3. Okay, minus 5 go to that side plus 5. Y plus 5. Divided by 3 equal to x. Okay, now f of x means now onto means we want to prove f of x equal to y. Onto means f of x equal to y. Now f of x equal to what is the x value? Y plus 5 by 3. Y plus 5 by 3. F of y plus 5 by 3. We want to find already given function f of x equal to 3x minus 5. X equal to here y plus 5 by 3. Appa substitute x equal to y plus 5 by 3 in this one. But 3 into y plus 5 by 3 minus 5. Okay, 3 cancel. Y plus 5 by minus 5. 5 also cancel. F of x equal to y. F of x equal to y means already told f is a onto function. Onto function. Therefore, f is bijection. Next we want to find inverse. Inverse means I will take this, the x equal to f inverse of y. X equal to f inverse of y. X equal to g of y we can take. Okay, x equal to g of y னு எடுக்கலாம். உங்க definitionல g க்கு பதிலா என்ன கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க? f inverse. g is called f inverse. அப்ப f inverse of y. அப்ப f inverse of directly x equal to f inverse of y equal to y plus 5 by 3. Replace y by x. எல்லாத்தையும் x ஆ மாத்தணும். அப்ப f inverse of x equal to x plus 5 by 3. We get the inverse value also. Okay. Next, the 13th sum. The weight of the muscles of a man is a function of his body weight x and can be expressed as w of x equal to 0.35x. Determine the domain of this function. We want to find domain. Given w of x equal to 0.35x, x is the body weight. Okay, man, weight of the muscles of a man. Now w of x equal to 0.35x given. Since weight is always positive, weight எப்பயுமே எப்படி தான் இருக்கும், பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்கும். Then x takes only positive value. அப்போ எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூ மட்டும்தான் எடுக்க முடியும். அப்போ the domain is x greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. அப்போ domain is x greater than 0.